Hey everyone, Mr. Smith here. I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to attach your assignments and send them into Google Classroom. And in the event that you need to resubmit something, I'm going to show you how to unattach the assignment and then reattach the new the new attachment, so that way you can resubmit things when you need to. This is going to work for not only my class, but also for Ms. Best and Ms. Nitch as well. So go ahead and pay very close attention so that way you can see what's going on. So first thing you want to do is you want to go into the class that you're in. I'm using my math, obviously. And you want to look for the assignment that you have. I'm going to use last week's assignment, the Area and Perimeter Week 1 assessment for a grade. I'm going to click on the assignment. I'm going to get to this page and I'm going to press the attachment and it's going to bring up the assignment. In the top corner is a little window right here. You can see my finger there. I know it's kind of dark, so bear with me. In fact, I'll do that right there. That is where you are going to press to send the assignment into your Google Drive. Once it does that, it brings up this window. Then instead of that square with the arrow, you're going to have 3 dots here, and you're going to press those, and it's going to open up this window. You are then going to press send a copy. You will then, go to Notability, and it'll bring up this window, to which it'll press, I know it's kind of blurry, so I apologize, but the idea is there. You're going to press create new note, and it's going to bring up this window, to which you would then press the import button at the top right here. So go ahead and press the import button. And for some of you guys, it'll send you straight to Notability so you can work on the assignment. And in some cases, it's going to do this, one file sent to Notability, and you're going to press done. You will then press your home button, go to Notability, and I'm going to move it so that way I can do it real quick. And then you're going to find the assignment, and here it is. Week one perimeter, week 1 assessment. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put my name. And then I'm going to do the assignment, or in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to upload it there. So that way you can follow these steps. Sorry. You're going to press the upload button up here. In fact, let me do it right here. That button right there is going to be the upload button. So you're going to press upload, or send to, actually, it's the send to button. I'm sorry. And what you're going to do is you're going to go down to other apps, and it's going to convert the assignment into a PDF, to which you press share note. And then it's going to give you the same, it's going to give you a similar window as earlier, only this time it's going to let you go to Google Classroom. And in some cases, it's going to pop up with a different class. So if it's not the right class, you just press the button right here where my finger's pointing at, and it'll take you out. And then what you do is you look for the correct class. In this case, it's Mr. Smith's class, Math, and then it brings you here. And then you press attach to assignment, and and there it is. The assignment is right there, Area Perimeter Week 1 assessment, and you click it, and then you're going to see it start uploading. Give it a few seconds, guys. Give it at least 15, 20 seconds. And then it turned it in. So then what you want to do is, to double check, you're going to want to press out of your Notability, go to Google Classroom, come out of here, and then you're back at the assignment, and then where it says your work, bring it up, and it should have pressed add attachment, and it didn't. So let's go ahead and try that again. Sometimes I can see why some of you guys are saying that that does that. So I'm going to go back into Notability, and I'm going to attempt the process again. No, not Notability. So you're going to upload, other apps, share note, Go to Google Classroom. Go to Mr. Smith's class math, attach to assignment, area and perimeter week 1 assessment for a grade. And there it is. My wife does something different. This is my wife's iPad. I don't know why it's doing that, but what it should do is you go to Classroom to double check, press the refresh button, or just slide down, and there it is. It did attach, so sometimes you just have to press the refresh button at the previous point. So I accidentally double attached it, so you're gonna remove one, because it's probably the same one. So once again, just to show, if your work does not show here, you're gonna wanna bring this arrow down and swipe down to refresh, and then do the process again, and your attachment should be there. Now, what you wanna do next is, now that you've attached it, you press turn in, and it says one attachment will be submitted, and you press turn in again. And then it's marked submitted. Now, if one of us, that being myself, Ms. Nitch, or Ms. Best, send you a comment and let you know, hey, you might want to look back at this again and fix some things up, okay, that's not a problem. All you have to do is go back to the assignment, and here it'll give you the option unsubmit. You press the unsubmit button, and it specifically reads, and I'll read it out loud to you. Unsubmit to add or change attachments. Don't forget to resubmit once you're done. So once you read that, that's telling you you press unsubmit to either edit or add a new attachment. Make sure you press unsubmit, and it shows you that the attachment has been submitted down here. Now you have the X to remove the attachment, and then it's back as if you haven't turned anything in yet. So what you're going to do next is you're going to go down, and I always like to just refresh it just to be on the safe side, so that way I know for sure I did that. So then say, for example, here, oh, I forgot to do this question. Okay, so here, work it out, work it out, work it out. Obviously you guys are working it out, but I'm just doing it for time. So now that I finished it and corrected it, I'm gonna follow the same process. I'm gonna press the send to button, other apps, share note. I'm gonna go to Google Classroom again, not the correct classroom. So I'm gonna press this arrow over here. I'm gonna go find mine, Mr. Smith's class math, attach assignment, and the assignment should pop up. In the event that it does not pop up, just like you did earlier, you're just gonna swipe down with your finger, and that'll refresh it, and it should pop up again. I can guarantee it, it will pop up doing that. So in this case, luckily it already popped up, so I'm gonna go back, and then it's going to attach, and it's going to close again. Again, my wife's is a little bit different, so I know that's probably what's going on with some of y'all's. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull up, and if it's not there, you're gonna refresh, and it should be there. And there it is. It has been resubmitted. So that's how you do the attaching of assignments to Google Classroom. And in the event that you have to unsubmit something, you can unsubmit, remove the attachment, redo the corrections, and then go back and fix it up. If you have any questions, like I said, please contact me on Class Dojo, but I feel like this tutorial should answer all your questions as far as how to attach the assignments. So thank you.